Ever feel that low hum of anxiety when you see headlines screaming about AI replacing millions of jobs, robots taking over, the end of human work as we know it? It's easy to get swept up in the fear. But what if those headlines, while attention-grabbing, are fundamentally misunderstanding the biggest technological paradigm shift of our lifetime? Here's the core truth. AI isn't here to wholesale replace you, it's here to radically transform how we work, think, and create. The real challenge and your greatest opportunity isn't AI itself, but rather the skills gap between those who embrace it and those who resist. So if you want to not just survive but truly thrive and even lead in the age of artificial intelligence, what exactly do you need to learn now? Let's peel back the layers and uncover the essential skills for the future. For centuries, every major technological revolution, from the steam engine to the internet, has reshaped our economies and our daily lives. AI is perhaps the most profound of these yet, but unlike earlier waves of automation, which often focused on replacing physical labor or highly repetitive tasks, today's AI, particularly generative AI powered by large language models, is venturing into cognitive domains once thought exclusively human. What we're dealing with currently is primarily narrow AI systems designed to perform specific tasks, like language translation, image recognition, or playing chess. We're still a long way from artificial general intelligence, which would possess human-level cognitive abilities across various tasks. This distinction is crucial because it means AI excels at parts of jobs, not usually entire complex human roles. The biggest shift we're seeing is job augmentation, AI working alongside humans, acting as an intelligent co-pilot, enhancing our capabilities rather than outright replacing us. So, if AI isn't replacing entire jobs, which tasks or components of jobs are most susceptible to automation by these sophisticated algorithms? Generally, the most vulnerable areas are those that are highly repetitive and rule-based. Think about tasks that follow a very clear, predictable pattern. This includes data entry, invoice processing, routine document generation, and basic scheduling. Robotic process automation tools have been tackling these for years, and now AI is making them even smarter. There are also tasks that are predictable and require minimal nuance. If a task can be broken down into a series of logical steps, and the output is always consistent given the input, AI can perform it with incredible speed and accuracy, often surpassing human capabilities. Then there are tasks that require limited human judgment or emotional intelligence. For example, initial customer service inquiries that follow a predefined FAQ or basic support scripts. AI-powered chatbots using natural language processing can handle these efficiently. The key takeaway here isn't to panic if your job includes some of these tasks. Instead, view this as an opportunity for AI to take over the tedious, soul-crushing work, freeing you up for the more engaging, complex, and uniquely human aspects of your role. This is where the magic happens. AI isn't just a threat, it's a powerful accelerant for human potential. Many roles are becoming exponentially more productive and strategic with AI as an intelligent co-pilot. For creative professionals, like designers, writers, and marketers, AI tools, using things like generative adversarial networks and advanced language models, can now produce stunning visuals, generate compelling ad copy, brainstorm ideas, and even compose music. A graphic designer isn't replaced, but they can generate hundreds of design variations in just a few minutes. A content creator can research and draft articles way faster. AI handles the ideation and rapid prototyping so the human can focus on refinement, strategic direction, and injecting their unique artistic vision. For analysts and researchers, imagine sifting through petabytes of data in seconds. AI, with predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms, can identify complex patterns, detect anomalies, and make forecasts with astonishing accuracy. This means data analysts spend less time cleaning data and running basic regressions, and more time interpreting insights, building narratives, and advising on strategic decisions. Software developers are seeing the coding landscape transformed too. Tools for code generation, debugging, refactoring, and even writing tests are now pretty common. Developers can use AI assistants to write boilerplate code, find errors, and suggest optimizations, which really speeds up development cycles and lets them focus on complex architectural challenges and innovative solutions. And in healthcare and law, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics, like using computer vision to analyze medical images, streamlining legal research, and predicting case outcomes. These systems augment doctors by providing rapid second opinions and help lawyers sift through vast legal precedents, freeing up more time for patient care, client interaction, and complex problem solving. In essence, AI empowers professionals to achieve more, faster, and with greater precision, shifting the focus from execution to strategy, oversight, and uniquely human judgment. The goal is to work smarter, not necessarily harder. Beyond augmentation, AI is also a prolific job creator, giving rise to entirely new professions that didn't even exist a few years ago. These roles are at the cutting edge, demanding a unique blend of technical acumen and human intuition. Prompt engineers, for example, since large language models are now central to so many workflows, being able to craft highly specific, nuanced, and effective prompts is becoming a critical skill. It's about understanding how these models think and guiding them to deliver the desired, reliable output. This usually means a lot of iterative testing and a deep understanding of what the models can actually do. Then there are AI ethicists and governance specialists. With the power of AI comes immense responsibility, right? These professionals focus on making sure AI systems are developed and deployed fairly, transparently, and without perpetuating harmful biases. They tackle tough questions around data privacy, algorithmic fairness, accountability, and the broader societal impact of AI. It's a crucial interdisciplinary field. AI solutions architects and engineers bridge the gap between AI research and practical business application. They design, build, and deploy AI systems within organizations, understanding both the underlying machine learning models and the specific business needs. You've also got AI trainers and data annotators. Even with all the advances, human oversight is still vital. These roles involve feeding huge amounts of structured and unstructured data to AI models, labeling it accurately, and correcting outputs to improve performance. This human-in-the-loop feedback loop is indispensable for robust AI development. And finally, there are AI product managers professionals who understand AI technology well enough to define, strategize, and oversee the development of new AI-powered products and features. These emerging roles highlight that the future isn't about AI replacing humans, it's about humans learning to work with AI, and even build the infrastructure around it. So, if the landscape is changing this rapidly, what actionable steps can you take today to future-proof your career and truly capitalize on the AI revolution? Here are the critical skills and mindsets you need to cultivate starting now. First, deep AI literacy and mastering prompt engineering. Beyond just knowing AI exists, you really need to understand its fundamental principles. Learn what machine learning is, how to differentiate between supervised and unsupervised learning, and get a grasp on the basics of neural networks. And crucially, dive into prompt engineering. This isn't just about typing a question, it's about understanding context windows, token limits, temperature settings, and how to use techniques like zero-shot, few-shot, and chain-of-thought prompting to get precise and high-quality responses from language models. Practice with tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Midjourney. The goal here is to become a master communicator with AI. Next, cultivate core human-centric soft skills. These are the uniquely human capabilities that AI, in its current form, just can't replicate, and they're only going to grow in value. Complex problem-solving and critical thinking AI can provide data and answers, but you need to formulate the right questions, evaluate the AI's output for accuracy and bias, and synthesize diverse information to solve ambiguous, real-world problems. Creativity and innovation. While AI can generate novel combinations, true creativity, the ability to generate entirely new concepts, challenge assumptions, and lead groundbreaking innovation, remains a human domain. Emotional intelligence and empathy are essential for leadership, team collaboration, negotiation, sales, customer relations, and any role that needs nuanced human interaction and an understanding of emotions. And don't forget adaptability and resilience. The pace of technological change is exponential. Your ability to learn new tools, adapt to new workflows, and bounce back from challenges will be absolutely paramount. Harness data fluency and understand data governance. AI runs on data. You don't need to be a data scientist, but understanding data types, data quality, and basic data analysis concepts will be invaluable. Equally important is understanding data governance and ethical data handling. As AI relies on vast data sets, recognizing issues like data bias, privacy concerns, think GDPR or upcoming US federal privacy laws, and ensuring responsible data collection is critical for any professional. Embrace human-AI collaboration and ethical AI principles. The future of work is collaborative. Learn how to effectively integrate AI tools into your existing workflows. This means understanding when to leverage AI and when human intervention is absolutely necessary. Develop an awareness of ethical AI principles: fairness, transparency, accountability, and safety. Your ability to identify and mitigate potential biases in AI outputs, for example, will be highly valued. And finally, cultivate a relentless, lifelong learning mindset. Honestly, the most crucial skill for the AI era isn't a single tool or concept. It's the willingness to constantly learn, unlearn, and relearn. The AI landscape is evolving every single day. Subscribe to newsletters, follow AI research, take online courses, and experiment relentlessly. Your curiosity and openness to new knowledge will be your greatest asset. The headlines might try to scare you, but the reality is far more empowering. AI isn't here to replace humans. It's here to empower humans to achieve unprecedented levels of productivity, creativity, and problem-solving. Those who learn to effectively partner with AI will not only future-proof their careers, but will redefine what's possible. What's one specific skill you're committing to learn or enhance for the AI-driven future? Share your thoughts and goals in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found this deep dive valuable, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insights into technology and the future of work, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thank you for watching, and let's build the future together.